Let's talk about configuring the environment. Each notebook in Datalore has an isolated environment which prevents the whole notebook service from crashing in the event of that a dependency issue occurs in one notebook. When starting work on a notebook, you can select a pre-configured based environment that has all of the packages pre-installed. If you have the on-premises plan, you can configure custom base environments so that your team members can forget about dealing with dependency management and start analyzing data right away. If you want to install more packages, you can do so using the Environment Manager. Datalore supports both pip and conda. You can search for any package, take a look at its documentation, and choose the version you want to install. The packages you install with the Environment Manager persist after you close the notebook. You can also attach custom packages that are available in Git repositories to your notebook. If you have any additional tools that aren't bundled in the base environment, you can install them using either the integrated terminal or initialization scripts. In the next video, we'll explain how you can share your work with your team members in Datalore.